Spore Group, we know that the success of a meeting or collaboration space hinges on its AV setup. But what happens if the system fails? In this video, I'm going to show you how our AV technicians ensure flawless meeting room installations and how you can streamline your AV management with one game-changing solution, the Sportal. So what is an AV technician? Well, I'm going to talk you through that in this video. If you're responsible for offices and the AV systems within those offices, or you've ever faced technical issues in a meeting room, you know how frustrating it can be. Nightmare, especially when you're sat there and your boss is there. In the arse. The last thing you want is a boardroom full of executives and a broken microphone and a screen that won't connect. I've been there. I own an AV business, and even now it does me nothing. But here's the thing, right? AV technicians are the unsung heroes who ensure that all of your meeting rooms are set up for success. Whether it's a simple video call, high-tech conference room, that technician is responsible for making sure everything works flawlessly every single time, first time. Now here's the truth, right? A poorly installed AV system can completely derail a meeting. Think of it like running a car without an engine. No matter how nice the car looks, it's not going anywhere. It hasn't got the right setup, hasn't got the right engine. At Spore Group, we do specialise in meeting room installations that work every time, so you don't have to worry about technical issues during those crucial meetings. Let me share a really quick story with you. We once had a client with a meeting room that was consistently having issues. Connectivity issues, audio quality, room was struggling, clients frustrated. But after a complete overhaul of their AV setup, the meeting room became a seamless space for collaboration. No more drop calls, no more echoing audio, just smooth, reliable performance. That's the kind of impact an AV expert technician can have in your meeting space. Can you install your own meeting rooms? Of course you bloody can. I'm sat in my home office here now. We've got a Logitech solution in the corner over there. I did it myself. I'm not the AV technician. I own an AV company. We've hired the technicians. I install it myself. Of course you can. Do you want to be responsible when it goes wrong? Oh, not really. Can you install 100 rooms? If you've got 100 rooms in your space, it's probably best to get the experts in. So here's what we're going to cover. What AV technicians do during a meeting room installation. How their roles differ from initially setting up the space to ongoing support, and why integrating a platform, an ongoing management platform like our Sportal system into your AV management processes is essential for seamless operations. Before we dive into the details, I do want to tell you about the Sportal. It's all-in-one meeting room platform. This platform allows users to seamlessly use the meeting rooms, raise tickets instantly, and it gives the IT teams the ability to manage their AV estate with ease. Honestly, you need to take a look at it. It is so bloody good. So if you do want to optimize your meeting room experience, check out the Sportal now. Descriptions in the link below. It streamlines your AV operations and ensures that your spaces are always ready for business. Back to the point of the video. There are two types of AV technicians. And AV technicians, the word gets used differently depending on where you are in the world. But at Spore Group, we rely on two types of AV technicians during meeting room installations. We've got the setup and tear down crew. These are the guys that are responsible for installing and configuring the equipment in the meeting rooms, ensuring everything is connected, ensuring it's all working before the room is handed over to the client. They make sure that everything works, the microphones through to the video conferencing cameras, everything's correctly installed, tested, and handed over nicely to the client. Think of them like the foundation builders of a skyscraper. Without their expertise, the entire structure would just fail. They ensure everything is in place before the real users start using that space. The second type of guys you got is the show operators. While the show operators typically come into play during live events, in the world of meeting room installations, they focus on the operational side of the system once it's in place. They're the technicians who ensure that the AV equipment continues to function optimally and ensures that you are able to use your room first time every time after installation. They provide that ongoing support when clients need troubleshooting or they need some adjustments. Imagine this, you do have a high performing sports car. The technicians are the ones ensuring the engine runs smoothly after the installation. They make sure all the parts are working in harmony. So when the client uses the meeting room, everything is top notch. Here's what makes AV work in the meeting room installation industry a little bit different. The hours are flexible, but they can often be quite demanding. Meeting rooms often need to be set up early or late, even at weekends, to accommodate client schedules. You need to make sure you've got technicians on hand over the weekend to have that room ready to go by that Monday morning boardroom. And again, I say all the time, AV is best when it's unseen, when it's invisible. Everyone knows AV is a drama when you're seeing it. So at Spore Group, we do thrive on that challenge and the satisfaction of creating meeting spaces that clients can rely on every single day. I'll tell you about our time we installed a complex AV setup. Major client, big corporate client, we do multiple offices for these guys, multiple rooms, each needing different configurations. The pressure was on. But when we sent our technicians there, they stayed ahead of the game. They ensured every room was ready to go on time, under budget, no delays. The client was thrilled. absolutely over the moon with the result. Setup was perfect, and the client's team now enjoys seamless collaboration without any technical hiccups. Being an AV technician, specifically Spore Group, I can only really talk about our company, is about more than just installing the equipment. It's about creating reliable, easy to use spaces that drive productivity. That's the whole point. Spore Group is not about we install pieces of kit. What we try to do is ensure that you have productivity and collaboration ability across your organisation. So, what sets Spore Group apart in the world of AV installations? Well, it's our commitment to ensuring everything runs smoothly, both during the installation and after the installation. And again, with the Sportal, we offer a complete platform that allows clients to manage and maintain their meeting rooms, troubleshoot their issues, and raise tickets instantly, all through a single interface. The combination of our skilled AV technicians as well as the Sportal allows our clients to experience seamless meeting spaces every single time. In summary, what are AV technicians? Well, they're the glue. These guys are essential for the smooth operation of meeting room installations, whether it's setting up new rooms, configuring systems, or offering ongoing support. Their role is crucial to ensuring tech works flawlessly. Now at Spore, we ensure that every one of our clients' meeting rooms is ready to go with our technicians and with the right installation and the right support so that you can focus on what really matters, which is getting work done and having a sleep at night solution. If you want your meeting rooms to be more efficient and take your AV management to the next level, I implore you to check out the Sportal. Platform allows you the ability to transform how you manage your AV estate. Check it out in the link below. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed watching this video, check out this video here because, well, frankly, YouTube says so.